Yeah! Ayan! What's up guys? Welcome back again at my channel. So for today, kasama ko po yung mga pinsan ko. So for today's video, may gagawin po tayong kakaiba. Because we are going to unbox our first ever Donruss. Yes, Panini Donruss 2022 and 2023. Yes, NBA cards. So, let's start the video. Woo! Ayan guys, so before we open and unbox this Panini Donruss, special thanks po muna kay Tito Raymond because siya po nagbigay nitong Panini Donruss. So thank you so much po for this gift of yours. And kaya naman po, ano pa hinihintay natin? Tara na, unbox na natin to. Woo! Yan! Hi guys! So, this is my first ever blaster box. So, we are gonna open the Donruss NBA trading cards. Yan. 2022-2023. So, ito yung season ni Chet Holmgren and ni Paolo Banchero. Yan. So, just a quick story. During the pandemic, I started collecting NBA cards. Meron po akong video dyan sa YouTube channel ko when I traded some of my toys for NBA cards. Ayan, yung mahaba pa yung buhok ko. Anyways, so, this have been my side hobby and I've been collecting NBA cards from many years now, and my favorite player is no other than Stephen Curry. I said that in my trading card video, and right now, I'm gonna open my first ever Panini Blaster box. Grabe, sobrang excited ako, and I'm very happy to able to do this with my brother and with my cousins. So, kaya naman, i-voice over ko muna kasi sobrang ingay ng electric fan during that time. Anyways, ayan, so fresh na fresh. Ayan, bagong bukas. Ayan, and there are 6 packs per box. Okay? And per pack, there is equivalent of 15 cards. So, total of 90 cards. Anyway, so this is my first pack. Pasensya na kayo kung mali yung pagbukas ko or yung pag-handle ko ng cards. Hindi po professional na unbox series. The joke lang. Anyways, my first card, Jamal Murray. Ayan, the shot from the Lakers. Sorry, Lakers fans. So, anyways, next is from Pacers, Chris Duarte. Yan, grabe, ang ganda guys. Yon, Brooklyn Nets, Kevin Durant, yung hindi pa siya lumilipat sa Phoenix Suns. Ayan, next card, si DeAndre Hunter. Yan, from Atlanta Hawks. Next is Dr. Anthony Melton from 76ers. Ayan. Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? So, help me guys if mali. Ayan, Doctor or DeAnthony. Anyways. So, Wendell Carter Jr. Ayan, from Orlando Magic. Next, from New Orleans Pelicans, Trey Murphy III. Woohoo! Next, yan, LeBron James from Los Angeles Lakers. Favorite po yan ng pinsan ko, si Kuya Martin. Yun naman yung mukha niya. Yippee! Sobrang tuwa niya. Kasi favorite niya yan, si LeBron James. Okay. So kung may LeBron James, ang susunod na card natin, of course, Luka Magic from Dallas Mavericks. Yes, go! Luka Doncic. Favorite naman ni Daddy yan. Ayan. Next, Luguentz Dort. Ayan. Thunder. From OKC Thunder. Yan. So, yung next card, ayan. Si Gary Payton II. And after that, may nakuha po kaming napakagandang green laser. Watch this. Okay, next. Oh! Okay. Ito na. Laser. Tama ba? Okay, ito na. Sino kaya ito? Uy, Lakers! Okay, Lakers! LeBron kaya? Wow! LeBron James! Oh, yes! LeBron James, ang galing! Grabe! LeBron James! What? First pop, guys. Okay. Ayan guys, haha, grabe, LeBron James. Hindi ako makapaniwala that nakakuha kami ng green laser LeBron James sa first pack. But anyways, next is Great Expectations, Malachi
Graham or Braham. I think so. So next is rated rookies. Blake Wesley from Spurs. And last but not the least rated rookie, Kendall Brown. Let's go!
Yan guys, so first pack pa lang. Grabe Kuya Mark. Hey! LeBron James, grabe guys. So maingay lang dito dahil may electric fan. Yeah, pero ayan, next po si Kuya Mark na po ang magbubukas ng pack. Let's go Kuya Mark.
Okay guys, our second pack of Panini Donruss 2022. Ayan, nabuksan ko na siya. On the Pacers, Tyrese Halliburton. On the Boston Celtics, Marcus Smart. On the Atlanta Hawks, Bogdan Bogdanovic. On the Philadelphia 76ers, Joel Embiid. On the Orlando Magic, Markel Fultz. On the Cleveland Cavaliers, Darius Garland. On the Phoenix Suns, Jay Crowder. On the Spurs, Devin Vassell. On the Los Angeles Lakers, so nasa Lakers pa dito na si Russell Westbrook. On the Houston Rockets, Jason Tate. On the Portland Trail Blazers, Josh Hart. And our Panini Laser from the Philadelphia 76ers, Joel Embiid. So guys, no, ang linis niya pag gano'n, no, parang nag-hologram. On the Spurs, Jeremy Sohan. On the Charlotte Hornets, Mark Williams. On the Los Angeles Clippers, Mustafa.
Guys, grabe second card. Hey! Joel Embiid. Grabe guys. Oh, LeBron's Joel Embiid. What? Second pack. Okay. Third pack na guys.
Yan. So, we are now at our third pack for today's video. Ayan. So, our first card. Yan. One of my favorites din. Trae Young from Atlanta Hawks. That's a deadly shooter. And ice in the veins. Grabe. Trae Ice. Ice Trae. Tama ba? Next is Julius Randle. Yan. From New York Knicks. So, number 30 yan. Pero that's not the number 30 that I like. Steph Curry yun. Anyways, next is Victor Oladipo from Miami Heat. So, hindi ko alam kung injured pa din siya until right now. Pero hopefully, he will get well. Next is DeMar DeRozan, Chicago Bulls. Grabe. A deadly mid-range shooter. Next is, ito hindi ko kilala to, Will Barton. Yan. Next is Killian Hayes. Yan. From Detroit Pistons. So, Kian, ako yun. Hindi, joke lang. Next from Spurs, we have Doug McDermott. Yan, grabe. Doug McDermott. Next, Yan, si Terrence Mann from Los Angeles Clippers. Next is, we have Trey Lyles from Sacramento Kings. Yun, next, Domantas Sabonis. Yan, Sacramento Kings. Next, puro Sacramento Kings we have Kevin Hunter. Yan. We have a green laser again. So, from Pelicans. Si Zion kaya? Si Zion Williamson kaya? No! Si Trey Murphy III. Akala nyo, si Zion, akala ko si Zion. And Bomb Squad! Bomb Squad! Dwayne Wade! Let's go! Grabe, guys. Grabe. Bomb Squad, Dwayne Wade. Yan. And rated rookie from Spurs, we have Jeremy Sokan. Jeremy Sokan. And last rated rookie, we have Christian.
So guys, our fourth pack of Panini Donruss 2022-2023. Yan, ayaw niya pa magbabukas. Nahihiya daw siya. Ayan guys, ayun, nagpabukas na siya guys. On the New York Knicks, Cameron Reddish. On the Miami Heat, Kyle Lowry. On the Chicago Bulls, Zach LaVine. On the Washington Wizards, Corey Kispert. On the Detroit Pistons, Hamidou Diallo. On the Boston Celtics, Robert Williams III. On the Portland Trail Blazers, Yusuf Nurkic. On the New Orleans Pelicans, Devontae Graham. On the Los Angeles Clippers, Norman Powell. On the Sacramento Kings, the Aaron Fox. On the Los Angeles Clippers, Marcus Morris Sr. Uy, sinisilip, baliktad pa. So, on the Orlando Magic, it is Markelle Fultz, but not bad guys, no? It's Markelle Fultz. On the Chicago Bulls, Jason Terry. And our rated rookie from the Orlando Magic, Paolo Banchero. On the Milwaukee Bucks, Marjon Barjump.
Let's go! Paolo Banchero! Nakunik mo naman! Hey! Okay guys, last two pa.
Yan! So right now guys, we are going ahead to our 5th pack. Grabe, tingnan nyo, dumadami ng collection natin sa desk, if you could see. Ayan. So, our 5th pack for today's video. Ayan. So, binubuksan ko na. Grabe. Kahit pa paano, nadalian na ako during that time. Because yung mga first pack, syempre, kinakabahan. First time, hindi ko alam paano yung tamang pagbukas, pag-alis ng mga cards. But anyways, our first card from the Boston Celtics. Yan, favorite ni Daddy. Al Horford! Yan, si Lolo Al. Hello, Lolo Al. Yan, Lolo Al Horford. Hopefully, manalo sila ng championship this 2023-2024 season. Anyways, next! From Atlanta Hawks, we have Justin Holiday. Kapatid ni Drew Holiday. Next, we have Tobias Harris from 76ers. Yan. Next, we have Franz Wagner from Orlando Magic. Next, we have from OKC Thunder. Yan, favorite din ni Kuya Mark yan. And one of the MVP candidates, Shai Julius Alexander. Si Shai, let's go. Yan, lagyan natin yan sa mga All-Star. Next, we have Pat Connaughton. Yan, from Bucks. Yes, let's go. Next, we have John Christopher from Houston Rockets. Next, we have Mike Conley. Yung nasa Jazz pa siya. Yan, pero right now, ano siya? Nasa Timberwolves. Next, we have Keldon Johnson. Johnson baby powder. Joke. Ayan. Next, we have from Portland Trail Blazers, Jeremy Grant. Yan, grabe. Jeremy Grant. Next, we have, yan, kababayan natin, Jalen Green. Come on. Speaking about green, next is yung Green Laser. Again, sakto. Ano kaya yung makukuha natin na Green Laser? From what team? Rated rookie! Okay, rated rookie, guys. So, during that time, I was hoping Paolo Banchero, pero ang lumabas si Blake Wesley. Hindi ko kilala. Sorry. From Spurs. Pero, yeah. Good job, though. Yan. And next, ayan, kilala ko. Si Ja Morant from Memphis Grizzlies. Franchise Fishers. And rated rookie, we have Benedict from Pacers, and last from Rockets, ayan, si Tai Tai. Yan guys, so commercial muna. So kumakain ako ngayon ng Dynamite. So dito kami nag-unbox sa Flamingos. Okay, ito yung store sa tapat ng bahay ng mga pinsan ko. And grabe, napakasarap ng food. And yung Dynamite nila, napaka-anghang. Anyways, so side commercial lang.
Ito guys, binubuksan ko na yung cards. Tinutulungan ako ng kuya ko. Ito na, our first card. Sa Cleveland Cavaliers, Evan Mobley. Sa Denver Nuggets, Bones Highland. Nakabiltad. Sa 76ers, si Tyrese Maxey. Sa Miami Heat, Tyler Hero. Sa Chicago Bulls, Nikola Vucevic. Sa Denver Nuggets, Nikola Jokic. Nakapilitan ulit. Sa San Antonio Spurs, Josh Richardson. Sa Clippers, Luke Kennard. Sa Mavericks, sa Reggie Bullock. Sa Sacramento Kings, Harrison Barnes. Sa Grizzlies, Jaren Jackson Jr. Sa Chicago Bulls, Andre Drummond. Up, up. Iba yan, iba yan. Up, sa ano?
Okay.
Timberwolves.
Timberwolves. Hindi. Ano yan?
Si Anthony Edwards.
Yes! Yes, Anthony Edwards! Good job!
Nakabitad. Rated rookie. Si Malaki Braham. Rated rookie ulit. Si Bryce McGowan.
Ano yan? Sino yan?
Si Anthony Edwards.
Yan, yes. So, yan. So, si Luis po. Anthony Edwards. Yes. Ano ba yan, Ate Sarah? Ayan. Anthony Edwards po yung insert na nakuha ni Luis.
Yan, so to wrap up our inserts or our hits for today's video, first of all, we have the green laser, LeBron James from the Los Angeles Lakers. Grabe, hindi pa din ako makapaniwala. And next, we have Joel Embiid, 76ers, the MVP. Next, we have franchise features Ja Morant from the Memphis Grizzlies. And we have Bomb Squad from Miami Heat, D Wade, OG. And next, of course, rated rookie, our rookie of the year, Paolo Banchero from the Orlando Magic. And last, we have the magician, Anthony Edwards from Timberwolves.
Ayan guys, so success po. Yan. So ano masasabi niyo Kuya Mark sa first ever experience natin?
Ang ganda ng mga cards, guys.
Yay! So, ayan. So grabe po yung experience. Nanginginig po ako kanina habang nilalagay yung cards sa sleeve. Sorry po maingay kasi andito po ako sa Malabon, sa hometown niya Kuya Mark, specifically sa Newgan. Yeah, and nagsiselebrate po kami ngayon ha. Ano ba nangyari ngayon?
Fiesta.
Yun!
Sa Newgan,
Fiesta.
Malabon.
Yan, tingnan mo. Fiesta! Okay, so basically, hanggang dyan na lang po. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para update kayo sa mga future videos ko. Bye-bye!